Hi, I'm Victoria, the Progressive Center's Summer Student Science Ambassador. Over the next 8 weeks, I will be making weekly videos about different areas of science and doing cool science experiments that you can do at home. Today's video focuses on biology, more specifically, DNA. I'm sure you've heard of the term DNA before, but it's okay if you haven't. So, what exactly is DNA? Well, DNA is the information inside cells that makes everyone and everything unique. DNA is made up of 4 different nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Yeah, I know those names are hard to pronounce, but now you're starting to look like a real scientist. These nucleotides are like the Lego blocks of life. They make up every strand of DNA in every person, plant, animal, and other living thing. Nucleotides are also usually seen in pairs. The human body has 23 pairs in each strand of DNA. But different numbers of pairs can cause changes in DNA. Even the smallest, most minor changes in the pattern of DNA can cause huge changes to the living thing that the DNA is a part of. One small change could be the difference between a rhino and a horse. Now that you know a bit more about DNA, it's time for today's experiment. So today we are going to be building a model of DNA out of candy. For this experiment, you will need at least 4 different colors of gummies, 2 pieces of licorice, and toothpicks. So first, you should sort your gummies by color just like I have here. The colors I have are purple, red, green, and yellow, but if you have different colors, that's okay. Next, you should pair your gummies together. Like you can pair purple and yellow together and green and red, for example. Okay, so now that all your gummies are in pairs, you can start placing each pair onto a toothpick. Careful when you're doing this so you don't poke yourself, and ask an adult if you need help. Okay, so now that you have all your gummies on toothpicks and in pairs, you can take 1 piece of licorice and start sticking the ends of each pair into the licorice, just as I'm doing here. Make sure to alternate between the 2 different pairs. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the other piece of licorice and put the other ends of the toothpicks into it. So it looks kind of like a train track. If you've completed all the steps correctly, your final model should look something like this. Each of the different gummies represents a different nucleotide, and the licorice represents the backbone of the DNA. Cool, isn't it? But anyways, that's all for this video. Please tune in next week, and I'll have another video up. Thanks for watching!